ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 405। भाष्य फर्स्ट लाइन। सो नेट शब्द परिभये। The one who is performing this vrata of prana abhagna vratam, he should do out of fear. What is that fear? That is given here. यदि अहम अस्मात् व्रतात् प्रच्युतः स्याम ग्रस्त एव अहम मृत्युना इति एवं त्रस्तो धारयेत् प्राणव्रतम इति अभिप्रायः। यदि अहम अस्मात् व्रतात् प्रच्युतः स्याम, if I fall from this vrata, if I default from this vrata, grasta eva aham mrutyuna syam, then may I get under the grip of mrutyu. Mrutyu was called papma. Papmana mrutyuna grasta eva aham syam. Means like how in Vyavahar, if somebody wants to say, it is as good as I am dead. Or sometime in Smriti Grantha they say, somebody has taken vrata, like Arjuna had taken the vrata. Anybody does insult of my Gandiva, I will do vadha of that person. I mean, these Kshatriyas have this kind of ideas. Brahmanas, you have to, your apaman also you have to do sahanam. Forget about your Dhanush and Gandiva and all what is there. But he had such thing. So then he wanted to fight with, kill Yudhishthira only. So such vrata here, that if I fall from my vrata, then what is the use of life? I am as good as grasta by mrityu. Evam trasto dharayet. In this way, he is thrust. Trasta means out of this fear. In this way, he should do pranavratam. Pranavratam dharayet iti abhiprayah. Tika. प्राणव्रतस्य सकृत अनुष्ठानम आशंक्य सर्वेन्द्रिय व्यापार निवृत्ति रूपम संन्यासम आमरणम अनुवर्तयेत इत्याह। प्राणव्रतस्य सकृत अनुष्ठानम आशंक्य, somebody says, okay, pranvrata I will do once. सर्वेन्द्रिय व्यापार निवृत्ति रूपम संन्यासम आमरणम अनुवर्तय, until you die you have to do this. Sarvendriya, this is not easy. This kind of sannyasa, Sarvendriya Vyapara Nivritti Rupa sannyasa, but you have to do this until the body drops. And this sannyasa is, when you do this, people watch you. People watch you out of different reason. From Shraddha, when there are very few sadhus, then they look at you with more Shraddha. When there are so many sadhus, like in this Kumbh Mela and all, and they say there are so many dime a dozen, you are one more. So there is not much importance. But if there are few, so out of Shraddha or some out of Kutuhala, out of curiosity, what is this? What kind of person they are? What kind of life they live, etc. etc. So in city means not necessarily big city, down, up also if you go in some places, if you're a sadhu, you go for bhiksha, and they will be wondering, oh, this Mahatma lives here, comes here, etc., etc. But your objective is that I have to live this life and I should think of Paramatma. They may think of me, I will think of Paramatma. This should be clear. This Amaranam Anuvartayet, Indriya Vyapara Nivrittiru. So if they are looking at you, they want to listen to you, you don't want to look at them, you don't want to listen to them. You want to think of Paramatma only. यदि कदाचित उ चरेत प्रारभेत प्रारभेत प्राणव्रतम समापिपैषेत समापयितुम इच्छेत यदि ही अस्माद् व्रताद् उपरमेत प्राणः परिभूतः स्यात् देवाश्च यदि कदाचित उ चरेत प्रारभेत प्रारभेत if somebody begins this, let's say somebody starts this vrata, then their thought should be, I'm going to complete this also. Prana vratam samapi paishet, samapaitum ichet. And this is another thing, like Granth also. If you say, I'm going to start studying or start teaching, then this resolve should be there, I'm going to complete it. Samapaitum ichet. Yadi hi asmad vratat uparamet. From this vrata, if there is any uparamanam, if he withdraws from that, pranaha paribhutah syat. His prana will be paribhuta. Means he will be defeated. And devascha, means the presiding deities on indriyas, those also will be defeated. Defeated means they will not be able to do their function. They will fall. Pranadi paribhava pariharartham niyamam nigamayati. So pranadi paribhava, how to avoid that, how to do parihara? Pariharartham niyamam nigamayati. A niyama is given. What? Tasmat samapayet eva. Samapayet kim? Vratam, prana vratam. Then one must complete this vratam. Further, vidyaphalam vaktum bhumikam karoti. Tena u, tena anena vratena pranatma pratipatya sarvabhuteshu vagadayo agnyadayascha. Ga is missing. Agnyadayascha. मदात्मका एव अहम प्राण आत्मा सर्व परिस्पंद कृदेवम तेन अनेन व्रतधारणेन एतस्या एव प्राणदेवतायाः सायुज्यम. Okay, let us see first small portion. Vidyaphalam vaktum bhumikam karo. So now what is the result of this kind of upasana phalam? Vidya here means upasana. Tena u tena anena vratena pranatma pratipatya. By this vrata, pranatma pratipatti is there. Means the upasaka feels, I am this prana. Prana eva atma. Tat pratipatya, that is his jnanam. सर्वभूतेषु, in all beings, Vagadayah Agnyadayascha, means all Indriya Devatas, Madatmakaha eva, they all are me only. Mat Swarupaha. And who am I? Aham Prana Atma Sarva Parispanda Krit. All activities are governed by Prana, which is me. Sarva Parispanda Krit Aham Atma. Parispanda means Vyapara, Sarva Vyapara Krit. तेन अनेन व्रतधारणेन एतस्या एव प्राणदेवतायाः सायुज्यम. बिफोर दैट इन टीका व्रतम एव विशिनष्टि प्राण इति. प्रतिपत्तिम एव प्रकटयति सर्वभूतेषु. दिस इज द नेचर ऑफ प्रतिपत्ति, हिज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द उपासक. संप्रति विद्याफलम कथयति एवमिति. एव एवं एवं तेन अनेन, दैट इज परिस्पंद सर्व परिस्पंद कृत एवं, दैट एवं तेन अनेन व्रत धारणेन एतस्या एव प्राणदेवतायाः सायुज्यम. In the mantra it is given sayujyam salokatam cha. So Purvapakshi is asking question in टीका. कथम एकस्मिन् एव विज्ञाने फल विकल्पः स्यात् इति आशंक्य. How in one vijnanam there is phala vikalpa? Means same upasana, how can it give sayujya also and salokya also? इति आशंक्य विज्ञान प्रकर्षापेक्षम sayujyam. If the upasana is prakrishta, means good, you will get sayujya. Tan nikarshapeksham cha salokyam. And if it is inferior, salokyam. You will get to stay in the same loka, but not sayujyam. Sayujyam means what? Sayug bhavam, ekatmatvam. Ekatmatvam with prana. And salokatam, samanalokatam, va ekasthanatvam. In one location, this is salokyam. Vijnanam आन्द्य अपेक्षम एतत् जयति प्राप्नोति इति. विज्ञानम आन्द्य अपेक्षम, the previous word, एक स्थानत्वम विज्ञानमान्द्य अपेक्षम. एक स्थान सालोक्यम has मंद उपासना. एतत् जयति, सायुज्यम जयति और सालोक्यम जयति प्राप्नोति इति. With this Panchamam Brahmanam Samaptam. Panchama Brahmana started with what topic? Saptanna Brahmana. This is called Saptanna Brahmana. And then among the 7, one is Sarva Sadharanam, one Pashuvannam, Dugdham, 2 Devata, and 3 Atmane, 3 for one's own self. This is Jiva Srishti. Okay. Further now. Shashtham Brahmanam, not Shashtama. Some people see Panchama, Saptama, Ashtama. Correct? but not Shashtama. Shashtha. So some people Panchamam, Shashtamam, Saptamam, there is no Shashtamam, Shashtam. Prapanchitasya avidya karyasya संक्षेपेण, it should be संक्षेपेण उपसंहारार्थम ब्राह्मणांतरम अवतारयति. प्रपंचितस्य अविद्या कार्यस्य, this is all avidya karya. Avidya sutra started from 1-4-10. What was the avidya sutra? That is Vidya Sutra. It is Vidya Sutra. हाँ, अन्यो असाव अन्यो अहम अस्मि इति न सवेद यथा पशुरेव देवानाम. This is the Avidya Sutra. 1-4-10 has other portion like Aham Brahmasmi part is there, Aham Manurabhavam Suryascha. All of that is part of Vidya Sutra. Avidya Sutra begins with this Vakya. Anyo asa anyo aham asmi iti. In Tippani, 1 number Tippani, shloka is given from Brihat Vartik Sara. Bade Maharaj Ji has quoted shlokas from Brihat Vartik Sara when he begins the topic. Means, or when not, when Upanishad begins a new Brahmana, etc., he has quoted those shlokas. Avidya Sutram Arabhya Sardha Brahmana Varnitam. Avidya Sutram Arabhya. Having started Avidya Sutram, Sardha Brahmana Varnitam. Sardha Brahmana is Ardhena Saha. Half a fourth and entire fifth is all Avidya Sutra. Vistara. Vidya Sutrat Puroktancha Jagat Sankshipya Varnyate. And Vidya Sutrat Pura Uktam Jagat. Vidya Sutra was 1-4. Before that, Jagat was Pura Uktam Jagat. When was Jagat Uktam? Tadhyetat tarhi avyakritam asit. That beginning of 1-4-7, before Vidya Sutra. See now how in this shloka he expects that you know the Upanishad thoroughly. What is Sardha Brahmana and when was Vidya Sutra Uktam, and before that what was there in the Jagat, everything. This Vidyaranya Swamiji shlokas are like this only. Alpatve sati tatyagam sambhavayati dhir nranam shasthesmin brahmane tena jagat sankshipati shrutihi. Alpatve sati tatyagam sambhavayati. Alpa, this jagat is alpa. Means it is given in brief also, or this. See, when it is said, you have to renounce object A, B, C, these, so many things you have to renounce. Then I say this is difficult. They say the world is only 3. Nama, Rupa, Karma. You renounce only 3 things. Idam Jagat Kim, Nama, Rupa, Karma. So just give up 3. That is easy. That is where it is given. Alpatve sati tatyagam sambhavayati nrinam dhihi. In my buddhi, it is then possible to renounce. Like they say, Eshana, only 3 Eshanas you have to give up. Eshana Traya Bas. पुत्रष्ण, वित्तष्ण, लोकष्ण. So Jagat Sankshepa is given in the Shashtha Brahmana. Sankshepena Upasamharartham. Now again I will read that Tika line. It will be clear. Prapanchitasya avidya karyasya. This prapancha vistar was done so far. Avidya karyasya Sankshepena Upasamharartham. This Brahmana, what it is going to do? Sankshepena Upasamhara. Brahmanantaram avatarayati. Yad etad iti. यद एतद अविद्या विषयत्वेन प्रस्तुतम साध्य साधन लक्षणम व्याकृतम जगत प्राणात्म प्राप्त्यंत उत्कर्षवत अपि फलम. प्राप्त्यंत, प्राप्त्यंत, प्राणात्म प्राप्ति अंत means up to previous topic which was the pranatma prapti. This avidya vishayatvena prastutam sadhya sadhana lakshanam. This jagat is sadhya sadhana lakshanam. Vyakritam. This jagat, before it became manifest, earlier it was given tadedam tarhi avyakritam asit. So that was avyakritam, now it is vyakritam. Utkarshavat api phalam. So this jagat is the phalam. And what is the vriksham? That is given further in Tika. Phalam api jnana karmanoho ukta visheshanavat yad एतत् प्रस्तुतम इति संबंधः. फलमपि ज्ञान कर्मणोः उक्त विशेषणवत्. ज्ञान कर्मणोः of the jnana and karma means whatever upasanas we do and karma we perform, etc. Upasana word, so we should think chintanam. Whatever chintanam I am doing is upasana. If I am always thinking of somebody who is my dveshatmaka, what am I doing? Upasana of that person. No, I don't want to do that upasana because you have said, Bhagavan has said, yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante. That will happen. Whether you want it or not. If you are doing that chintanam, this is what you will get. This is jnana karmanoho ukta visheshanavat yad etat prastutam. Prastutam sadhya sadhan lakshanam vyakritam, etc. Avyakrita prakriyayam uktam smarayati. Avyakrita prakriya means 147 beginning. या च एतस्य व्याकरणात् प्राक् अवस्था. एतस्य जगतः, of this jagat, before it became व्याकृत, व्याकरणात् प्राग अवस्था was what? अव्याकृत अवस्था. अव्याकृत शब्द वाच्य. वृक्ष बीज वत् सर्वम एतत् त्रयम्. Vriksha bijavat, everything was like the seed of a tree. From that, this giant tree comes out. So what is that seed? This Nama Rupa Karma. Of that also he will show only one, like that, minimum. Avyakrita avastha. सर्वम एतत्रयम बीज रूपा. किम तत्त्रयम इत्युच्यते. Next, Pratika in Tika is Sarvam. It should be Sarvam. Sarvam etatrayam, not Sarvam. Pratika. Huh? व्याकृत अव्याकृतस्य जगतः संग्रहीतम रूपम आह सर्वम एतत्त्रयम्. So this is the बीजम. अव्याकृत शब्द वाच्य वृक्ष बीजवत प्रागवस्था is अव्याकृत. It is like the seed. See the mantra now. त्रयं वा इदं नाम रूपं कर्म तेषां नाम्नां वाग् इति एतद् येषाम् उक्तमतो हि सर्वाणि नामानि उत्तिष्ठन्ति एतद् येषां साम एतद्धि सर्वैर्नामभिः समम् एतद् येषां ब्रह्म एतद्धि सर्वाणि नामानि बिभर्ति. त्रयं वा इदं नाम रूपं कर्म. These three are nama rupa karma. Everything is collection of that. Tesham namnam vag iti etad esham uktham. Of them, vag is the uktha. Uktha means upadana karanam. 6 number tippani. Upadana karanam. Ato hi sarvani namani. Ataha, ataha means from this uktha, which is the upadana karanam, all names arise. Sarvani namani uttishtanti. All names arise from the speech. Vak. Etad yesham sama. Etad hi sarvaihi namabhihi samam. And this is called sama, and it is there in all. In all names, the one which is common is this Brahma, samam. Etad esham Brahma, etad hi sarvani namani bibharti. Etad esham Brahma. This is Brahma for all the names. And it supports all the names. Etad hi sarvani namani bibharti. So etad means this uktha. टीका. वांग मन प्राणाख्यम त्रयम iti shankam pratyaha. Somebody says, okay, I know what are the three. Vang, mana, prana. So they were the three annam. He says, no. Kim tat trayam iti uchyate nama rupam karma cha iti anatma eva na atma. All this jagat is what? Nama rupam karma. Anatma rupam. Tika. किमर्थः पुनः अयम उपसंहार इति आशंक्याः. Why there is this upasamhara being done? Kimartha. Kimartha, how will you do samasa vigraha?
Kaha arthaha.
Kaha arthaha? Yasya. Saha?
Kimartaha.
Kaha artha means it will be ko artho yasya. Saha kimarthaha. Kimarthaha? Anya pada is? Upasamhara. Ko, those who are writing Vigraha, then you write down. Ko artho yasya saha kimartha upasamhara. Why this upasamhara is being done? To show anatma in brief. Atma Shabdartham aha. Atma Shabdartha is given yat sakshad aparokshad brahma. Atma Shabdartha is sakshad aparokshad brahma. What is aparokshad? Aparoksham. Sakshad aparoksham brahma. So this idam trayam nama rupam karma is anatma. It is all to be negated. टीका अनात्मत्वेन जगतो हेयत्वम तत्शब्देन परामृश्यते. Because it is anatma, tasmad heyam. Anatmattvena jagatah heyatvam tatshabdena paramrishyate. Tasmad asmad virajyeta iti evam arthah trayam va ityadhyarambha. Trayam va idam nama rupam karma cha. This why you have started? Just to have vairagya from all this. Asmad virajyeta. Every time you say vairagya, vairagya, Purvapakshi is also, she is asking, vairagyamapi kimartham? Why do we need vairagya? Without vairagya, you think I cannot study Vedanta? Yes, you can study Vedanta. Nahi asmad anatmano avyavritta चित्तस्य आत्मानम एव लोकम अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति उपासितुम बुद्धि प्रवर्तते. Aham Brahmasmi buddhi will not happen in simple words. Nahi asmad anatmano avyavritta chittasya. From anatma, the one whose chitta is not vyavrittam. Avyavrittam chittam yasya. Saha avyavritta chittaha. For such person, atmanam eva lokam. Upasita, it was said. Atmitya upasita, he wants to do only atma chintanam. Aham brahmasmi iti upasitum buddhi na pravartate. Aham brahmasmi, this kind of upasitum, 4 number tippani, anusandhatum, this anusandhanam will not happen. And when we hear these things, so we think Bhagavan Bhashyakar did not know. I will prove how I can do Anatma Chintanam also and Atma Chintanam also. Oh, you try in 1 janma and you try in 1,000 janmas, both you will not be able to do. Nahi asmad anatmano avyavritta chittasya atmanam eva lokam aham brahmasmi iti upasitum buddhi pravartate. Tika. Avirakto api. Let's say somebody is aviraktaha. Avirakto api kutuhalitaya tatra adhikari syat iti ashankya. Kutuhali, kutuhalin. Kutuhalin will be pratipadika. Ata inithanau. This is the sutra. Like कामः अस्य अस्ति सः कामिन्. कुतूहलम अस्य अस्ति सः कुतूहलिन्, देन कुतूहलिनतया, you will have to add that. हाँ, कुतूहलितया. प्रथमा एक वचन will become कुतूहली. As a person who is out of curiosity studying Vedanta, he doesn't have vairagya, he can be adhikari. इति आशंक्याः बाह्य प्रत्यगात्म प्रवृत्तयोः विरोधात्. बाह्य प्रवृत्ति and प्रत्यगात्म प्रवृत्ति, they will be virodha. Means I want to go up also and I want to go down also, or I want to go out also and I want to go in also. अनात्म प्रमाणम अपि आत्मानं प्रत्यायैष्यत्यात्मनः प्रत्यायैष्यति आत्मनः सर्वात्मत्वात् कुतो विरोधः इति आशंक्याः. Okay, who will explain what is given in this line? अनात्म प्रमाणमपि आत्मानं प्रत्यायैष्यति आत्मनः सर्वात्मत्वात् कुतो विरोधः. Very simple line is there. Okay, what is said is this. Purvapakshi said, why do I need vairagya? Siddhanti said, you cannot think of external things and internal things. Anatma and Atma, both Chintanam cannot be together. Purvapakshi says, but according to you, everything is Atma. Sarvam khalu idam Brahma. So Anatma Chintanam is also Atma Chintanam. Anatma Pramanam api Atmanam Pratyayishyati. Anatma Chintanam is also, according to your Vedanta Pramana, is Atma only. Why? Atmanaha Sarvatmatvat. Because Atma is everything. Where is Virodha? You said Virodha. इति आशंक्याः तथा च काठके परांचिखानि व्यतृणत् स्वयंभूस्तस्मात् परां पश्यति नान्तरात्मन् कश्चित् धीरः प्रत्यगात्मानमैक्षद आवृत्तचक्षुरमृतत्वम् इच्छन् इत्यादि. तथा च काठके. So this is Kathopanishad Shruti. So what is being said? The meaning of this mantra is, if you want to do your journey towards Atma, you have to let go of Anatma. यथा यथा प्रत्यगवस्थितं मनः तथा तथा मुञ्चति बाह्यवासनाः. निःशेष मोक्षे सति वासनानां आत्मानुभूति प्रतिबंध शून्य. So मुख्य point here is this, that consciously I have to withdraw from Anatma. And you will see that when mind is so calm, not vikshipta, early morning when you wake up, Brahmakar vritti will begin. If mind is vikshipta, you sleep with some vikshepa, you wake up also with vikshepa. So, if everyday story is vikshepa, then Brahma Chintanam is very difficult. This is true. कश्चित् धीरः, टीकाकार says, कथन तरहि प्रत्यगात्मधीः, how प्रत्यगात्म बुद्धि will come? कश्चित् धीरः प्रत्यगात्मानम् ऐक्षत. Why? When आवृत्त चक्षुः, when he withdraws from the world. Upasamharasya, I am not doing Vyakhya of this Kathopanishad mantra because we know this, you have studied this. So, withdrawing indriya and antakarana. Sometimes we also, this today I was thinking about this, that after taking karma sannyasa, if formally, vidhivat, and if somebody has to get engaged in lot of karma, bahirmukha pravritti, so one thing is clear, Uparati is not there. Vidyaranya Swamiji has explained, Bhagwan Bhashyakar has given in Vivek Chudamani, Jnanam, Uparati and Vairagya, they have to go together. Sometimes Jnanam is there, Uparati is not there, Vairagya is not there. Sometimes Vairagya is there, but Jnanam is not there, Uparati is not there. So that is also doshaya. That Sarva Karma Sannyasa is taken, but Uparati is not coming. Upasamharasya itham safalatve api. This part we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.